I've moved to Manchester today, which is so bizarre. Blazers over here and like work stuff, and then it goes more into like hoodies. City girl life, I just can't believe it.
This is what we needed earlier.
Oh my god, love. I absolutely love that one. That's for the bedroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is the very exciting moving vlog. I can't believe it, like it's actually here. I've moved to Manchester today, which is so bizarre. I look so disgusted in this video. Moving to Manchester for my first ever grad job, which is so exciting. Excuse the mess behind me. It's so messy, but I'm going to show you what the situation is right now. Literally just moved in to Manchester. I'm so excited. I've already started putting a few bits away. We've ordered a Wagamama's. If you're new here, I'd love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe. There's going to be so much Manchester content. We're going to do a little like night in with us. We're going to do like a little bit of a flat tour in this vlog or in a separate one, and I'm going to definitely document my first like few weeks living here as well. So definitely stick around if you don't want to miss all of that, and I'll show you how we're getting on. So just to show you a little bit of the space, so you come in here, we've got stuff everywhere, but this is as you come in, and then we've got like the little glass table, the TV, we've got washing up as well. So just ignore how everything looks right now. I will do a proper like flat tour. This is my bedroom. As you can see, everything is just everywhere right now. And then this is my bathroom. Amy's is an ensuite, but this is my little bathroom. Well, it's not little, it's actually huge. But I'm just going to start unpacking, but I thought I would just show you how everything looks when we move in. Okay, so putting shoes in here. You can't really see, I'll try and up the brightness a little bit. And then I'm just trying to sort clothes. So far I've gone for like blazers over here and like work stuff, work trousers and everything. And then it goes more into like hoodies, jackets. So that's how the wardrobe is currently looking. So then I'm doing like pajama tops here, bottoms there, and then this is like underwear, so like bottoms, tops. So that's drawers. Okay, so under the bed I've got gym stuff here, joggers there, and then the other side I've gone for like daytime tops, daytime bottoms, and like going out bits there. So that's how the drawers under the bed are looking at the minute. I'm just popping into this part of the vlog from a few days later because I wanted all the like unpacking, decorating, all of that kind of thing together in the vlog, just so it all like flows right. So I am working with Desenio on this video, which I'm so excited about. Desenio is the big box I've got here. They are a prints company based in Sweden, and basically they've got prints for everyone. You've probably seen Desenio, like I feel like everyone's probably gonna know who they are, but I've had Desenio prints in every single uni room I've had. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know I've worked with them before, but I also had prints literally in my childhood bedroom from Desenio before we ever worked together. So it's a bit of a dream collab for me. I do have a discount code, which I'm going to quickly tell you so I don't forget to mention that. So the code is just Georgia Lauren Birch, which gets you 35% off the prints only. So you can't do it on personalised prints, kits, or frames, but on the prints 35% off, which I think is such a good like heavy discount. So I'm so excited to actually have that, and I will put the date in which that is live until, so you can shop. I don't think it'll be up for too long, I think maybe about a week, so definitely get a shop in. But yeah, Desenio is a Swedish based company which basically you can just decorate your home with. And I feel like I was listening to an Emma Chamberlain podcast, and she was on about the importance of like making your space homely, and how like most people don't do that when they're renting and stuff. Most people don't like take the time to make it their own, but I honestly think that's so important. Like even in my uni rooms, when I knew I was only staying there for a year, which is the same as this flat, I just think you need to make the effort to make it look a little bit homey. It just makes everything feel so much more comfortable. I'm going to show you the prints now. I'm going to get them all out, and for a neutral theme in our lounge, a little bit of a pastel theme in here. Okay, so these are all the frames. Like I said, gold for in here, and then white for the living room. I'm going to show you the prints as well, which come in here, so they're nice and protected. Let's have a look inside here. Oh my god, love. I absolutely love that one. That's for the bedroom. This is also for the bedroom. For my room, I absolutely love these. They're gorgeous. This is one for the lounge. This is my bathroom one, which I think is so cute. Like I wanted something pink to match my towels, and then blue to match like the bathroom theme. I'm actually in love. Like it's literally made my room visions come to life, like I absolutely love. And I've just put these up and by myself, which I'm so proud of. Amy's gone for a little walk. She would have obviously helped me, but I was impatient. I wanted to get them done. So we've got this one here, which is the little La Gallery art. We've got the Tuscany one, and then this one is such a gorgeous one. It says like Forms Colories. I'm not sure what these things mean, but I just know they look absolutely beautiful. This is my little gallery wall in my bedroom, which I am beyond in love with. Like honestly, if you're going to do one thing today, just decorate your room with Senio, because it's made me so happy. Also gone for one down here, which will be in the background of my mirror pics, just on this little chair I've got. It's a little bit messy in here right now with wires everywhere, but yeah, that is that one. So I'm now all settled. It's the first night, just about to go to sleep, but I thought I would just document how I was feeling. I feel like it's very overwhelming because I literally just got back from holiday yesterday and then moved here. Had to unpack everything, do everything today, but I'm so glad it's done. Like I feel like it's nice to have it done. I start work tomorrow, but I'm going to carry on this moving vlog for like the next couple of days, have it as like a full first moving vlog, document the next couple of days. But yeah, I thought I'd just check in, let you know how I'm feeling, and I will catch up with you tomorrow, probably after work, because we have our first day of work tomorrow. I think I've mentioned in the vlog that my job is at Look Fantastic, so I'm so excited for tomorrow, but I'm also not tired at all because I'm so jet lagged. Like I could just stay awake all night, but obviously I'm going to try and sleep, and I will catch up with you tomorrow. So I thought I would just check in on the vlog just to like update how I was feeling. It's currently my second full day at work, so a couple of days later from when I vlogged before, but I thought I'd just update you on how I'm feeling. This vlog is going to be a bit sporadic over the next few days, but obviously it's a moving vlog. Obviously things are a bit hectic, so hopefully that's okay. My friend actually just sent me some flowers, so I really wanted to include that in the vlog because it's so cute. And I'm going to show you some of my cards as well, because I just think it's nice to have in this little memory video. I'm not feeling the most settled, I'm not going to lie. Like I still feel a bit weird, and especially at night, like I'm lying here like, where am I? Like, you know when you wake up and you're like, where am I? Like I'm not home. We've decided over the weekend when we're off, we are going to put all the prints up properly, but you would have already seen that at the beginning of this video. But that's what we're going to do then, and I'll show you how my room looks all properly and finished after we'd have that little DIY segment of the video. So those are obviously the flowers from Cameron, and then Lily just sent me these, and they're so cute. They're like loads of different colours. Put them in our little IKEA vase, and she sent me this card saying home sweet home. So I just love that. They look so good in our kitchen. Flat is looking very cute this evening. I literally just love it. We've got the candles on. But yeah, so that's how I'm feeling. I'm also feeling very tan, like on this camera compared to normal. After my holiday, I'm looking very tan compared to normal, so I'm so impressed with myself. I'll show you some of the bits I got from work as well, because we have brands come in and you just get like a couple of bits when they come into the office. So I'll show you what I got today. So I got this little bag, which I love. Like the pattern's so cute, and I'm actually going to keep this as my in the car bag, just for essentials like hand sanitizer, like stuff like that. So there's a little bag, and then inside it was, I'll show you the brand that came into the office today. It was Alpha H, and I got a cleanser, this which is like a liquid gold mask, and then a couple of these serums, so the Alpha H vitamin C and also the vitamin E. So that is such a cute little goodie bag. So it's a couple of days later. I kind of realised I have hardly actually filmed in the little moving vlog, but I wanted to wait until we've like properly settled. It's now the weekend. It's the first proper weekend, so I feel like this is what you want to see. Like I've literally been going to work, coming back, we've been exhausted, but we're getting on fab. The apartment's so nice. Last night we went out, and I didn't film that, and I should have, but it was the first night out with the girls, so I thought don't really want to be shoving a camera in everyone's face, but I thought I'd vlog tonight because we're going to make vodka pasta, which I'm very excited about. I'm so hungry. Last night I woke up, honestly I was so hungover. I felt a little bit rough. I felt like we didn't go, like we went a bit out shopping, did a bit of that, so now we're starving. Going to make vodka pasta, so I will vlog that. I'm going to give you a view of the balcony because it's just, I'm not used to it. It's just city girl life. I just can't believe it. Every time I walk out the balcony I'm like, this doesn't feel like my home. It's weird. But yeah, let me show you the view, and then we're going to cook pasta. You'll see Amy in the vlog. And we're currently watching Married at First Sight UK. We've literally just started it, and we're getting so angry at one of the girls. I won't give any spoilers, but I don't even know her name. So this is the closest we've got so far to a sunset, like a little pink cloud. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm just trying to find a TikTok. Camera's telling us to get some tunes on. Sorry, he's interrupting the video. People couple came past and got scared. We're on our way to Sainsbury's Local.
Yeah.
The place we weren't meant to be keep spending our money at,
But we seem to go every day.
we seem to be not budgeting girls right now, but it's okay. We're fresh to the city, it's okay.
Oh, it's on red.
We're going to Sainsbury's to get some ingredients because we realised we're missing some crucial.
Well, we're making pasta and we don't have any pasta.
And we like rigatoni and we've only got...
well, I like shells.
You like shells, I like rigatoni.
Yeah.
And we don't have any onion. So,
and that's our main base ingredient.
yeah, it's the base, so. Little tour of our shop, guys. Look at that, looks nice. What do you think? Good. We were going to make this, but we're going to make that tomorrow, aren't we?
And then what else?
Onion. We had some melon earlier, it was delicious.
It's a bit too let's get red.
Yeah, red onion's better, isn't it? We've added to our selection, we've added these little crunchies, which I'm excited for. I look like I'm your videographer.
Yeah.
Personal videographer. Okay, this is what we've made. I'm gonna put some cheese on, of course, but look how gorgeous. Garlic bread. Cute.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Hey everyone, it's now the next morning. I'm literally just finishing off getting all ready. Me and Amy are gonna go for brunch, which I'm gonna take you along to in this little moving vlog because this is our first outing, like a proper occasion. We went to town yesterday, but we literally went like hungover, joggers, that kind of vibe. Like today's our first little brunch together, so I'm excited. I'll take you along, but I thought I'd just come on and say hello and I will take you on our day. So we're back and I picked up this from town. I absolutely love it. It's from Primark. It's like the little, I can't remember what this material is called, but it's got a top as well and I put all my hair stuff in it. Absolutely love this. I'll show you what else I got. Also got this little candle which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Like it's so cute. It was only £2.50 as well. Now we're going to bake some Tanya Bear triple chocolate cookies because they're just the best. Okay, we're having to go with a Jane's patisserie recipe because apparently Tanya uses self-raising. So we're using all these things. Cocoa powder, butter and plain flour.
Hi guys.
We're going to do a taste test of our cookies. Let's hope they're not absolutely disgusting.
Is this what we made earlier?
Yeah, we made the Jane's patisserie ones, like I said. Right, let's get a knife. Sorry if this lighting is weird. I'm not really sure.
Hold it up here while you cut
Right,
it.
let's see if there's going to be a little gooey moment here. Quite crunchy.
No, but I like the outside to be crunchy. Oh, look at that.
Melted in the middle.
It is melted in the middle.
Gorgeous. Right, cheers.
Cheers, so good, almost fine. Oh my god, it's full melted in the middle.
Oh my word.
Oh my god, it's like a brownie.
Jane who? What would you rate it?
9. That's really good. It's like brownie texture. Like, look how melted that is. Hang on, look at that.
There we go, look at that.
What would you rate it?
I'd go 8.5, but almost probably 9 as well.
I was going to say 8.5, but I thought you would say that's quite low.
I'd say 8.5 only because the edges are a little bit maybe stodgy.
It is quite a stodgy cookie.
It is a stodgy. It's not going to be like a light snack for you.
No, definitely not. There's 3 types of chocolate inside it. That is so good.
We can warm it up.
Imagine that with ice cream. Oh.
Stay tuned in the vlogs because one week we might do ice cream cookies.
can do ice cream with them though if we have ice cream.
As in, are they a bit thick though, like both sides of a
I know,
scoop of ice
need
cream?
to be thin,
Maybe
yeah.
more like a thin cookie, like an ice cream scoop. So I'm sure we'll do those another week in the vlog.
Maybe do something Biscoff first though.
Amy's a big Biscoff lover.
I'd like to marry the person that invented it.
Who did invent it?
I have no idea. I'd like to know though. I was young. I know, it's stuck to my teeth.
And she's not drinking the tap water.
No, I don't drink English tap water. I don't trust it. In Scotland, it's very fresh, and in England, I'm pretty sure it's not.
I will get her on it. I'm sure.
You definitely would.
You said you were going to try it tonight.
No, just say that to make you happy.
I'm going to say, Amy's a big Biscoff fan. I'm a Nutella fan, so our cupboard has lots of Nutella and lots of Biscoff.
Biscoff is the best though.
Biscoff v Nutella wars here. Alright, anyway, I'll let you know what we do later. Okay, just in a little small food shop, very tiny. Literally got some almond milk for coffee tomorrow. Got these little falafels because they were on offer and I thought they'd be nice for tonight and lunch tomorrow. We've got some ice cream to have with our cookies, some pita because we're going to have like just bits for dinner. And that's about it. Right, so we're now going to watch a movie. We're going to watch Harry Potter. I'm going to see if I could be an invested fan. Unsure if I will be. So we're going to do that. I'm going to have a little bit of dinner. I'm also about to try and do my own builder gel, so I'll let you know how that goes. If I don't let you know, that's because they've gone to shit. So let's hope we're back with some beautiful nails, which I'm unsure. But yeah, got all the stuff literally just arrived from Amazon, perfect timing. So I'm going to do that while we watch the movie. This is how the builder turned out. They're just very neutral. There we go. You can kind of see just like shiny, neat. I'm actually really pleased with them. I think I'm going to head to bed now because nails are done. It's currently about 10, so I think I'm going to try and get an early night because we are back to work tomorrow, obviously, after the bank holiday. But I really hope you all enjoyed this little moving vlog. There's going to be so many more Manchester vlogs coming your way because I just feel like I want to do like a little mini series. I really hope you enjoyed the little moving vlog. Like I said, I do have a discount code for Desenio, so don't forget about that. That was just George Lauren Birch for 35% off prints. By the way, I forgot to mention the place we went to brunch was called Federal and it was incredible. So I'm sure in the little series we'll literally just be trying all the foodie places because there's so many around here. I've started making a little list so we can work through those together. But yeah, if you are new here and this is the first video you've seen of mine, I would love for you to subscribe because then you can see, you come along on this whole journey with me. Like I've literally just started, new city, new job, and I can't wait to have it all on here as little memories. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!